In this tutorial, I'll show you how to edit the SEO settings for a specific page in Weebly. Let's get started. Sign in to your Weebly account and open the website you want to edit. Click Edit Site to open the website editor. In the editor, click the Pages tab and select the page you want to optimize for search engines. Open the page's SEO settings. Here, you can edit the SEO page title, meta description, and other available search engine settings for that specific page. Enter a clear page title that includes your main keyword, then write a concise meta description that accurately describes the page and encourages people to click on it in search results. Save your changes, then publish your website to apply the updated SEO settings. Keep in mind that it may take some time for search engines to recognize and reflect your changes. That's how to edit the SEO settings for a specific page in Weebly. Thanks for watching.